Hi, I'm Anton. Today is the fourth day of my daily crypto installments. As usual, I bought 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, and 10,000 XRP. Today I want to talk about XRP. While I'm discussing XRP, here I'll also show you a screen recording of my crypto transactions on the fourth day, January 14th, 2025. XRP is different again from Bitcoin and Ethereum. While Bitcoin is like digital gold and Ethereum is like a platform for building applications, XRP focuses on fast and cheap money transfers. XRP was created by a company called Ripple, and its goal is to facilitate international money transfers at much lower costs and in a faster time than traditional banking systems. For example, sending money from Indonesia to Europe usually takes 2 to 3 days, and the fees are quite high. Using Ripple's system, it can be done in just seconds. The coin used in that system is called XRP. XRP also has a limited supply, so many consider it to have long-term potential. I don't know yet whether it will rise or not, but for me, the important thing is to learn and invest in installments. We'll return to Bitcoin for tomorrow's discussion. Well, that concludes my transaction recording. For those of you who have no idea how to do it, just watch my explanation in the video for the first day of $3 Crypto Habit on January 11th, 2025. In closing, I have a question. Do you agree with my investment method? If so, please like the video. If not, please leave a comment explaining why you disagree with it. Whether you agree or disagree, please subscribe if you want to see the next video. See you in the next video.